Hi, if you're new to my page, welcome. I'm Amanda Young, mom of two, and I teach people on how to make money here online. So I'm going to give 5 reasons why a done-for-you business just makes sense, especially in the economy that we're in right now, okay? So as of right now, as the years go by, the decades go by, affiliate marketing and digital marketing, if you can learn those skills, you will always have money coming in, okay? Those are so powerful together. And I found a done-for-you business that has combined both of them together, and this is why it makes sense to have a done-for-you business, okay? One is it builds an email list for you. A lot of people, when they start an online world, an online business, they get stumped with the emails, okay? They get stumped what email providers should they use. And then they have to create the sequence for the emails as well, right? So they get stumped on that. They get confused. People get frustrated with that, okay? But building your list, building your email is really important, okay? And the done-for-you business actually takes care of that. There's a marketing team behind there that works on your behalf that takes care of the email and even text, okay? And they also pay all the fees. You don't have to deal with all the fees that come along with it as well. So it just makes sense to do that. A second thing is a done-for-you business is really great for beginners, okay? Especially if you never have any experience in the affiliate marketing world, the digital marketing world. It can be overwhelming. It can really drag people down. People get confused. They don't know where to start. So a done-for-you business, there is no setup. You don't have to get a website. You don't have to get a domain server. You don't have to get an email service. You don't have to connect an email with GoDaddy and get all that together. You don't have to connect gateway payments, okay? If this is going over your head, then this is definitely for you, okay? Because this is what it really takes to build a business online, okay? A digital business, a physical business, whatever kind of business, okay? A service business. You don't have to create a landing page, a funnel, a lead magnet, a lead magnet or any of that kind of stuff, okay? It's already done for you. There is no filling out sales pages, okay? Because when somebody comes in, you can watch some of my other videos, I actually break this down. There's a system when somebody comes through your website, okay? There's a system that's in place. You either have to create that system or you can have one done for you. I actually have never seen anybody that gives it to you 100%. As of today, there is nobody out there, okay? I've been in the online world for over a decade. I've never seen anything completely done, okay? That takes out all of that, okay? It also, when you have a done-for-you business, you don't have to deal with the graphics, okay? When you have an online business, you have to make sure you're putting together graphics, whether it's for stories or posts, to bring people into your website, okay? Your website, your domain is your storefront, okay? It's part of your storefront. Your social media is your storefront. The website is like, hey, come on in, take a look, okay? It's like coming into your house, like somebody knocking on the door, okay? And say, hey, I want to shop, I want to look around, okay? There's a process through that. When you create your own online business, you have to set up all that and have it all connect together and flow beautiful, okay? This is all done for you, okay? So it just makes sense, especially if somebody's brand new. Actually, a lot of people that have been in the industry are doing this because it's completely done for them. It basically gives you more time to do the things you want to do, because if you're creating and creating everything on your own, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of management, it takes a lot of fees. I have another business that cost me close to $400 a month to run because of all the fees. Okay, this has no fees. It's all taken care of you, taken care for you. Okay, there's a one-time low investment. That's it. It takes care of all the fees, every single thing for you, okay? Number 3, there is a built-in follow-up system, okay? 33% of people never get followed up, okay? A lot of times what happens, people don't get followed up because there's so much, it's no matter how organized you are, people fall through the cracks, right? And we know on average statistics, between 7 to 12 times you need to follow up with someone before they make a buying decision, okay? Most people do not buy on the first decision. They take a look, you know, they're not ready, maybe it's not for them, or it's not their time, right? And you've got to nurture that relationship, nurture that, and have a way to do it. The Done For You business has all that built in. There is a follow-up emails, or they can even opt into text if they want. And the company actually takes care of it for you. Follow-up is, honestly, it's very time consuming, okay? It's very time consuming. So when you have somebody else doing that for you, that gives you more time to do the things you want to do. Maybe you want to spend more time with your kids, time with your family. You know, sometimes your family is funny, right? But anyways, time with your family, right? You know, or maybe you're just like, you know, I just need time for me, okay? A lot of times people are glued to their phone when they have an online business is because there is a lot of moving parts, okay? A lot of moving parts, and this alleviates those parts, okay? Because it's done for you. The company takes care of it behind the scenes, okay? Number 4 is a Done For You business makes sense because there's residual income connected to it. Like I said, has a huge piece called affiliate marketing with it. And it can pay up to 95% commission, okay? This is unheard of in the affiliate marketing world, okay? On average, when it comes to affiliate marketing, is 3 to 12%, maybe 20, okay? And there's no residual, no lifetime commissions behind it, okay? This is actually set up with thank you referrals. There's a whole thank you referral system in place so you can get residual and lifetime commission. So do the work once, you can get paid over and over and over again. So if you do the work right now and 1 year later, you need time off. You're like, hey, I want to go on a family vacation. I want to unplug, do a digital detox and get off of all social media platforms for a week. You can, because you have that residual income because you've been building that up along the way as you're building your business, okay? That's really, really important, okay? Number 5, that's really important. This is definitely going to change the game for sure. Number 5 is that there's content done for you, okay? Content is, when I mean by content, if you're brand new and you don't have a clue what content is you put a piece of content out there to get people's attention, okay? You want to be exposed. When you have a business, you have to expose your business, okay? If you're, for example, going to open a boutique up in your local store or local town, what do you need to do? You have to advertise, you have to market to get people to come into your boutique, okay? If you don't market, you don't advertise, you don't put the word out in your local area, no one's gonna come into your boutique, no one's gonna buy anything, and before you know it, you're gonna have to shut your door down, okay? Content is your marketing, okay? It's your way to expose and get people to go to your website, which is already done for you 100%, okay? And then take a look at your shop, okay? Because you will have a fully loaded Shopify shop with over 220 products, digital products, mastermind classes, MRR rights, everything loaded for all kinds of different industries that need tools and resources online. You have a shop fully loaded already for you. People can come take a look and they can buy what works best for them, okay? There's like 220 products as of today. There's more products that are always coming in every single month. So you have that already done for you, okay? So content is stories, reels. Those are really important to do, okay? Reels and stories. We actually have content that's completely done for 365 days. We actually, when you first get started, because you'll be mentored by me, We have a community as well. But I'm going to get you plugged in, and you'll have 30 days of reels already set up, ready to rock and roll. Okay. That takes time. That takes time away from doing content, because doing content can take time. Okay. By the time you do research or trying to find SEO words, trying to find the description, trying to find the hashtags, all that is completely done for you. Completely done. Okay. Content is king. We've heard this back in 2018. Content is, especially reels, short form videos, okay? A lot of people don't want to do short form videos, but it's the biggest way to expose a large amount of people. And it's like a big funnel, okay? Think of a short form video, a reel, like it's a big funnel, okay? A funnel is like this, okay? You expose, a lot of people check it out, and they go through the process, and a few of them become customers, okay? So we already have the reels, the content, so you can get exposed, done, and then the customers will come through, okay? So it's done for you, okay? Which really takes a lot of pressure off of people, especially if you're new and you don't know how to do a reel, or you don't know how to do all the details, right? If you already have a brand and you want to expand your brand and add and trickle this in, you can do that as well, and can keep doing your own content, your own stories and reels and all that things. I think that's beautiful. You can marry. That's one thing you can also do. You can marry this business with other businesses. Okay. I really believe in multiple streams of income. So this can be married with another business, goes beautifully with so many other businesses, and it doesn't take as much time as well. Okay. It's very more like semi-passive. You do have to do work, but you don't have to do it all day long. You know what I'm saying? You can do in little bitty amounts of time. So if you would love to learn more, I will put the link below this video in the description part. Check it out. It's definitely worth checking out. It could change your family's life. It can change so much, especially the way the world is, and the economy is absolutely crazy. And the inflation is crazy right now. It's good to have additional streams of income. So this is very beginner friendly. I have a friend that's, she's 69. She has no tech at all, no experience in affiliate or digital. And she's actually making $500 a month, just following our system, plugging in, and now she can fill in the gaps because she's living on Social Security. It's just not enough, okay? So I will put the link below in the description. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, just comment down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this brought you value. This is the time to learn these skills, because when you learn these skills, you become unstoppable, my friend. So anyways, I'm excited to lock arms with you. See you on the other side. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this and share it out, because somebody needs to hear this message. They're looking for a way to make money. They're sick and tired of struggling at their job, working long hours, getting a second job. They're burnt out, okay? There's a lot of people burnt out the more I talk to people lately. Share this out. Somebody needs to hear this message. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you later, my friend. Bye.